When we're talking about increasing functions, we're talking about gradients. So if we find out the gradient, the dy dx, the differentiated version of this equation, then we get 150 take away 6x squared. Now, when it's increasing, we've got a gradient of that's positive. So in between a positive and a negative gradient, we would have a zero gradient. So if we can find out when that is equal to 0, then we can find the points where it's going to be increasing. So 150, if I rearrange that, add 6x to both sides, is 6x squared. So that means that x squared, if I divide both sides by 6, then that will be 25. So x is plus or minus 5. So that's when the gradient is 0. So if we picture our graph, at 5, the gradient is going to be 0, and at negative 5, it's going to be 0. Now, a cubic graph normally looks something like that, but this is a negative cubic graph, so it is going to be upside down, so it's going to go like that. So this is the 0 gradient, and this is the 0 gradient. These are the points that we've found out. So it's going to be like that. So the increasing bits, it doesn't have to touch here by the way, the increasing bits are where it's going in that direction. So these are the decreasing bits of the function. So it's in between that negative 5 and positive 5. So it is going to be between negative 5 and 5. Now, at negative 5, it will not be an increasing function. It'll be a 0 gradient. So I'm going to say negative 5 is less than that, and x is less than 5.